This is the elevator at the brand new newly built Cross Commons in Squirrel Hill, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania with PA elevators. This is Schindler 3300 with FIGS. And I got the stupid beep chimes. Up to 6. Interior go up. Here it's 6. Either Jared called it or someone else called it. We'll go back down to 1. Here's your 88 phone, mount on the panel. Got FIGS 100 fixtures. Basic cab padding. Big Brother, made by Rycon. Oh no, it's AVCon. Okay, good, we did not stop on 5, so that means you should be good. Either it's just an arrow or Jared called it. Yeah, Jared called it. Here, back at 1. Yeah, he's keeping pressing it. I didn't know what you were calling it. Okay. Got the full arrow. There it causes, and that's going to be it.
What's the name of this?